Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to send mass text on iPhone. To send mass text on your iPhone, first of all, you have to install the Send Hype app in your iPhone. To get the app, go to your App Store and search for Send Hype, and this is the app we are going to use. So install this app, and once the app installed, just open the app. And now first of all, we have to create a group using our contacts. So tap on groups at the bottom menu, tap on add group, and now write the group name here. I'm typing here test, and tap on add existing contacts. And now from your iPhone contact, all you have to need, select those contacts you want to send mass text. So here's I'm selecting total 4 contacts and tapping on done. And now tap on save. And once the group successfully saved, now we will send mass text into this group. So tap on message and tap on create message, and now here select the group in which group you want to send mass text, and write here the message title, and in this box write here the message. And you can also import first name here, last name. And now all you have to need, just tap on save. And now in here tap on send, and you can manually send and automatic send. So select here automatic, and as you can see, to send automatic mass message you have to upgrade this app premium version. So we are going to select here manual for free. So select manual and just tap on this send icon, and all of your mass text will be sent. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.